Hi, this is your project. So you are asking we have format like these things. So you are already given this two extra tables, transaction and the client data. So I using this thing. So already download this Word document. So this is Word document. So this is total entire project is MySQL connection database, right? So you are asking that one. So this thing. So what you are asking, everything is completed. Please check it here. So okay, so if you get any troubleshooting, please go and search in Google. So I will explain one by one slowly. So in this table there are two tables. One is client data, another one is client data set. Okay, like transaction data. So one is transaction data, another one is client's data. So I'm using two database. So if you want, go and check it in MySQL database workbench also. So this is the transaction details available. uh, Check it here. It is a client's data and transaction. Before I have to database created. So this is your database creation. So I'm using this thing aqua pros. So actually I don't know what I'm taking the variable names, so that's why I'm taking here what document aqua pros. So the here also I'm taking this thing. Okay, if you want, go and check in database. So before you have to install some softwares. Without softwares you can't get the data. So most important softwares. So you have to install the python, any version. Go on installation python version. Okay, if you want to use any software like 3.10, 3.6, 3.7, whatever it may be, but I am using 3.6. Why? That is a stable version in previous years, so that's why I'm using that thing. So another thing is install mysql command. Without mysql you can't get the data. Be practical, you have to install mysql. So you have to install the MySQL software and also workbench if you need. So no need to both the softwares. Already I install my system, so that's why I won't use. So I'm using the MySQL 5.0. Okay, if you want, go and use it. Another also Python 3.6. Okay, 3.6, 6.8. So I'm using the both software 3.68 Python. Another one is um, MySQL connector. So 5.0, that is the server codes. So if you want, go and use it. So I'm sharing all the screenshots about this project. So please check it one by one and one by one. Okay. So without software you can't get the data. You can't see the any output process. Okay. So please try to understand what I'm saying everything. So I'm explaining another notebook also. Check it. First we have to install a pip install MySQL connector. After that you can use this thing. Okay, one by one. So first we want to use dummy data, or you can use it. Okay, so that's why I'm saying again, please check it carefully. Okay, without that thing, without database you can't get any single information. That's why I'm suggest to you, please check it here. Okay, here my connection id is 76. So why I'm showing this thing? So it is some information to hide, like password and admin, everything is visible, but inside I will change that thing. Okay, I won't share to my password and local last id. So that is not possible to. So whatever it may be you are giving so and so, that's why I'm using this thing. So I am converting this thing. So you have to install a database aqua Pro. Not don't take this one. If you want, you can use anything name, like laptop, mobile, e-commerce website, and some books. Okay, this type of things you can take anything. After that you have to create the one table, like transaction. Okay, you have to create the table client data. So you have to use any variables like this type of format. You are already given this data. So this thing, right? Everything is possible and running. I will share the screenshots about. So here also, here is one thing you already mentioned here. Not null primary is key. Suppose if I use same id 103, no need to take and store next time 103. Why? Means that is not the storage. Okay, so you have to change the every time variable, like variable names. So that is the thing. So already I use some so and so variable names. So this is the thing. So if you want, go and check it. Everything is possible, running, working my side. So this data. So I want to use anything connection. Just I'm connecting this thing data. So okay, everything is working fine in my side. You have to install some MySQL softwares and Python softwares. So you have to create the some MySQL software also. Okay, if you want to see in clear output in our system, please go and install MySQL workbench. Maybe that is possible, I think so. If you don't need, if you don't see that is visible, please check it this way of format. So as a developer, this is this type of we are using. So first we have to use data and create database archive rows. After that, change the database. Okay, so now I'm showing the tables. So this is the thing. First I am using the transaction. After that, database is empty database variable created. So after that, I am using some names. I'm putting the variable names created. So this thing. After that, I am using the transaction multiple data. So it is storage this thing. After that, data description. Now I'm checking this transaction details. Describe this where type or null key this type of thing. So another thing is I'm creating the client's data. So the second data is available, right? Okay, right. Second data is available in your system. So based on upon your requirement, we develop this thing. So after that, check it here. Okay, finally whatever it may be, you are asking so and so data, everything is storage in this site. So please go on installation properly. Maybe if you don't know this process, you can't get anything. I don't suggest anything. So please go and check it in Google and YouTube. So that is better help to you. So and also now we are checking here. Okay. Okay. So maybe everything is proper working in my side. So if you want, you can check it here also. Okay, in this in this format, most important in the um, most important from your side, variable names like if you take capital lower case, that is not a good thing. Okay, please be careful and check it. Okay, everything it is showing this thing. Okay, after that you have to select start from clients data. Now I'm using clients data. How much data, how many data is storage, I'm checking. So chinna lasari we are giving directly. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so now I'm using this thing format. So there is the thing. Now I'm putting in front of you. Check it here. Okay, so everything is good. Without this data, without MySQL connection, you can't get the data. Why means I already tried. So you can't get the data. And I think you know also. Okay, so select one, select anything, create anything. First time to getting the create enter name, Ganesh, enter ID 45678, enter address Chennai, enter password 12345 admin. Would you like to continue? Yes. Maybe so on. So again, it is asking ID already exists. Maybe same ID is maybe exist or not. I don't know. But the database is storage on. It's come to output like going to next thing. So that is the thing. The main project is this thing. So yes, but I'm the understand and you are asking this thing. And also as a you are giving instructions. So if you don't know about this project, please go on check it carefully. I'm using one by one, one by two, one by three. So everything is possible. Everything I'll share it to you. Another one thing is I'm sharing the some screenshots about in this project. Check it here. Okay. Just wait, I'm sharing, I'm checking. Why means you are understand the very well. So that's why I think this project is good for you. My understanding why means it is a database storage from Python to MySQL database connection. So that is a good thing, good way of knowledge. So you are giving the you are giving the inbuilt data. Okay, so that is the thing. So everything is good. Okay, 453 and 2. Where is 1 1? Yes, you have to see here also. So everything I'm sharing 1 to 10. Okay, it's opening. Just wait. So everything first how to create this thing, how to go next thing. Okay, everything it is showing. Okay, don't worry. So everything I'm sharing to the screenshots also, how to generate the data, how to get the data, how to create the database, how to connection, give the data. So this is your main thing. Okay, that's why everything every time giving the screenshots. So if you can easily identify the data, suppose if you want to submit the screenshot also, you can go and submit the data. Okay, that is easy way. Okay. Okay, everything is going good and perfect in my side. So already you check it out. Okay, so I hope you are understand this thing. Okay, this is the way of structure. So the database is saved or not. Check it here. Okay, yeah, check it here. Check it these images. Why I take screenshots, you can easily identify that thing. So that's why I'm using. So check it here. The database is stored or not. Okay, database is storage on Aqua Pros. I don't know exactly now. So sorry, Aqua Pros. So that's why I'm taking this day. Okay, anyway, finally your project is good. Thank you so much for understanding concept this. Thank you so much. And also I'm so sorry say to you, please check it here. So just 1 minute, I will show one thing that is most important. So okay, Python, yes, maybe yes, this is your folder. This is your folder. Why I'm saying this folder, this Python files .py file, everything is .py file. So first I am checking your code and connection the database is right or wrong. So that's why I check it this thing. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, you don't worry, everything is working, but I am sending the final file is only one. This is the your final file. Okay, don't worry, everything is working fine. Okay, thank you so much. Already I showed the first screenshot also, first database, like that is the thing. Hmm. Here is also two conditions. So one is transaction details, another one is card details, right? So the most thing is, yes, transaction and client data, right? So in this case, why we are using the MySQL database? So it is an open source database management system. So the database storage in the backend and I give the retrieve. Suppose if I save any database, that is a good thing in MySQL and SQLite and PostgreSQL, whatever it may be, anything. Okay. Another one thing is MySQL program to have import connector. It is a submodule. Okay. Without submodule, this thing you can't get the data, single information, right? Now you have to change the variables. Check it here. I am changing now. I'm running. You'll get some errors. Why means the data values always change. Okay, if you change the data, definitely you won't get the data. Okay, after that you'll get any error. Definitely see here, you get the error. So now you have to change the every time variables. Okay. Okay, don't worry, everything is working fine. Don't worry, be cool. Okay, I'm executing in front of you. Yes, that is the saving, right? So every time you have to save the some values. Okay, good. I hope you are understanding this project. Thank you so much. I'm setting both screenshots on project and uh, document file. Okay, thank you.